I'm Nan Simonsen. I'm a nationally board-certified health and wellness coach, all about whole food, plant-based diets for longevity and health. I work with a lifestyle medical practice, Blue Zones Health, and we see every day what diet and exercise and community and stress management and sleep prioritization and a plant-forward diet can do for you. Well, all of that to say, this is going to be a tiny little segment because I am making a dinner party for a friend today. And we will be dining in about 4 hours. And I'm doing a Tomatillo Salsa. I've got to admit, I have never done that before. Tomatillos are these little round, and these are pretty small actually. Well, I believe they are in the Solanaceae family, which means they're part of the tomato family. I hope I'm saying all this right. Someone's going to write me and say, no, you're not, but I think I am. And in any case, they have a husk on them, and maybe the husk always worried me. And I go to a farm store, and they were selling them by the 1 pound bag, and I said, what do I do? She said, roast it. So I kind of looked that up and figured out how to do it, and this is what I'm going to do. She said, just peel off the skin. Well, they kind of stick. It was easier to peel it off underwater, not underwater, but while water was running, and wash them off. And so I have 1 pound of tomatillos that I'm going to put in my Breville hot air oven. It could have just been my regular oven. And all I have to do to make this into a salsa is add, and I have to take off the skins later, but I'm roasting all of this. So I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have a small onion quartered, and I have a jalapeno pepper. All of these I picked from my garden. They are green jalapenos that then become red when they sit on the vine long enough. They get a little sweeter that way, but they're never really sweet. I'm taking off the end, and I am taking the seed membrane out of here because the seeds are the really hot part. And I have some people that like heat. I'll give them some salsa to add, and some that don't, or some hot sauce to add. And so this now, I can smell the heat. This now is pretty well seed free. There might be 1 or 2 deep in there, but that's okay. And I'll let this go. I'm going to be roasting it at 450, and I'll be turning it once. I'm waiting for the skins to kind of blacken a little bit. So this is really a hot roasting. The whole thing is going to go in my Vitamix. I'm going to add the juice of a half a lime or a lime, depending on what it tastes like. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to separate what I've made into 2 parts by dumping half of it in here, and not half, just some, because I have somebody in our party who's very allergic to cilantro. Some simply don't like the flavor, but she cannot have it. It makes her ill. And then I'm going to put a big bunch of cilantro, well, a handful, into what's left in the blender, and then that will go in a larger, you can see this is a Mexican theme meal, or at least Mexican theme motif, because the meal is a tortilla casserole, and you'll be able to look at that. Mexican tortilla, cheesy Mexican tortilla casserole is the way you'll find it. And there, isn't that pretty? So I'll be back to you at the end of this with photos of the Tomatillo Salsa made. We'll see ya, and this was next to nothing of a video, but if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel because we have all kinds of fun with whole food, plant-based eating. All right.